Want to start earning money online, fast? Let me show you one of the simplest business models out there, PLR products. Now, maybe you've heard about them before, or maybe you're skeptical. Either way, forget the theory. This is where we turn ideas into real income. But before we dive in, I need you to shift your mindset, because this one change separates people who try to make money online from the ones who actually do. See, most beginners jump in thinking they'll be the next Mark Zuckerberg or Steve Jobs. They see the internet as some magic land where billion-dollar ideas are born overnight. They dream about building the next big thing, something world-changing, something that makes them rich instantly. But that mindset, that's the fastest way to fail. Online business isn't about chasing hype. It's about mastering proven systems that work. And that's exactly what we're about to do next. For every Mark Zuckerberg, there are millions of people who never make it. Those success stories, they're the rare exceptions, not the rule. Most people who build real success online don't look like tech geniuses in hoodies. They look like you, like everyday people, your coworkers, your friends, running simple, proven businesses. Because at the end of the day, the web runs on the same economy as the real world. Money flows through regular products like shampoo, travel deals, digital courses, not life-changing inventions. And that's a good thing, because those types of businesses are easier to understand, easier to build, and a lot less risky. So instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, why not take a business model that already works and just replicate it? It might not sound glamorous, but that's exactly how countless people quietly make six figures online by following a blueprint that's already proven to succeed. There's nothing wrong with copying what works. In fact, it's smarter, faster, and far more effective. And in the next section, I'll show you how to take that idea to the next level by literally copying and pasting someone else's business, with their full permission, of course. Let's talk about one of the fastest ways to start making real money online, PLR products. PLR stands for private label rights. It's a special type of license that gives you the right to resell and edit a product as your own. Here's how it works. You buy a digital product, like an ebook, a course, or a guide, just once. Then you can rebrand it, add your own name, tweak the content, and resell it over and over again for 100% profit. That's right, you only pay once, but you can sell it an unlimited number of times. This is one of the biggest shortcuts in online business because it eliminates all the hard parts. No need to create your own product from scratch, hire writers, or spend months developing content. PLR products let you jump straight into selling something proven to work. And the best part? There are entire marketplaces filled with these ready-to-sell products, just waiting for you to grab, customize, and profit from. This is how thousands of entrepreneurs quietly build steady income streams by using the exact same system you're about to learn. And here's the best part. The creators of PLR products want you to resell and rebrand them. That's exactly what they're made for. Most PLR packages don't just give you the product itself, they come loaded with bonus materials to help you succeed. We're talking full sales pages, ad templates, email campaigns, graphics, everything you need to start selling immediately. It's almost like getting a ready-made business in a box. You can literally copy, paste, and launch. Here's how it works. You find a PLR product that fits your niche, buy it, usually for around $100 to $200, and you instantly get the rights to edit and sell it. Then you can personalize it, add your name as the author, drop your logo on the cover, maybe even change the title or update some of the content. Finally, replace the Buy Now button with your own PayPal link so the money goes straight to you. Upload it to your website or hosting platform. And just like that, you've got your own branded product ready to sell. Now your product is live, it has your name, your branding, and it's ready to sell, all without you having to create anything from scratch. The best part? You can pick PLR products that are already proven to sell. That means no wasting time building something no one wants. You're starting with a product that already has an audience. Your main focus now is visibility, getting people to find your offer. That's where internet marketing comes in. We'll dive deep into all the ways to drive traffic in future videos. But here's one quick example. PPC advertising or pay-per-click. It's simple. You only pay when someone actually clicks your ad. So if your campaign doesn't perform, you don't lose money. And if your sales page is solid, which it should be since most PLR products come with one, you can make small tweaks, improve conversions, and start turning visitors into buyers fast. Do this right, and you'll quickly start seeing returns on your ad spend. And the beauty of it all, once it's set up, this business can run on autopilot, generating passive income even while you sleep.